When it comes to securely storing your Beam, choosing the right wallet is critical. The Beam network is focused on privacy and scalability, which makes using a wallet that fully supports its features essential. Among the various options available, the Beam wallet stands out as the most reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. This official wallet is designed to provide full privacy for transactions, utilizing Beam's Mimblewumble protocol. It allows users to send and receive Beam without exposing balances or transaction history, ensuring complete anonymity. The Beam wallet is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, making it versatile for desktop and mobile use. Setting it up is straightforward. Once installed, it generates a secure seed phrase, which must be backed up immediately. This seed phrase is the key to accessing your Beam funds, so storing it offline is recommended. Users can create multiple wallets within the app, making it easy to manage funds for different purposes, such as trading, long-term holding, or daily transactions. The wallet also supports advanced features like offline cold storage, allowing users to sign transactions without exposing private keys to the internet. For active traders, Beam Wallet provides integrated exchange options, so you can convert Beam to other cryptocurrencies or stablecoins directly from the app. Security is further enhanced by optional PIN codes, two-factor authentication, and hardware wallet integration, ensuring that your funds are protected against unauthorized access. Regular updates from the Beam development team ensure compatibility with network upgrades and add new security improvements. For anyone looking to safely store Beam while taking advantage of privacy features, the Beam Wallet provides a seamless, secure, and reliable solution. Investing in a trustworthy wallet is the first step to managing Beam efficiently and protecting your assets in the long term.